All right, so my I'm responsible for extracting PDF in this lab. Uh, so I I wrote two functions to complete this job, and I'm gonna start with here. Um, so basically, this part is just um constructing our data frames. These are the column names, and we're gonna go through this part. We're gonna go through all the PDFs. And then we're gonna go through all the pages for each PDF. Um, so basically, this part is the extraction parts. This is the functions of this one. Extract information. So I use regular expressions to find the keywords and extract those informations from the keywords. These are all just extracting, and then and you can see I call a format API function. This is the function that I wrote here. So basically this function is a formatting extracting API. And then after we extract all this information, it is going to append to this empty data frames, and it will save to a CSV file. Let's try to run this. So now the program is running. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes to go through all the PDFs and all pages to find out all those keywords. That's a bit long. So you can see we are extracting those information. So, and these are the information that we're extracting from this PDF. Let's keep generating, keep extracting. Um, and this is the CSV I extract from last time. You can see these are columns names, and these are information we extracted from the PDFs. And you can clearly see this formatted API that can use for web scraping. And that's it.
After extracting information from all the PDFs, the second part is to web scrape the well information from a specific website. And we have this function here. This function is designed to scrape data from a web page about a specific well identified by an API number, which we get from the first part, the PDF. The function constructs a search URL using the API number to find the well information on this website. It then makes an HTTP GET request to retrieve the search page and uses Beautiful Soup to parse the HTML content of that page. The function searches for a hyperlink on the search page whose href attribute contains the API number. This is the search page. And it's looking for the hyperlink here, navigating to the result page, the information page. So this is assumed to be the specific link to the Wells detailed page. If such a link is found, it follows the link to the Wells page, makes another HTTP GET request to retrieve the Wells page. The parse and parses its content with Beautiful Soup. On the Wells page, it attempts to find a table with the class name. Let's see. With the class name Skinny. This is the table name. This is the table class name. And we need to get well status and well type and closest city. closest city is here. Let's see where it at. Yeah, so we need to look for the third TR tag, and under the third TR tag, we need to get the first TD tag, the value within the first TD tag, and the value within the second TD tag, and the same situation for the closest city. So we have our code here. We get the first TR tag and the first TD tag within this first TR tag. And this is the first TD tag within the third TR tag. And this is the second TD tag within the third TR tag. And this is the second TD tag within the fifth TR tag. So after we get the well names data type, the closest city to the well, and production data. Oh, the production data is here. It's under the block stats class. So we put the name here, and we can extract the value within the specific class. And then we put all the data into this dictionary, into this grep data dictionary. And if the table where the data is not found, this extracted data is compiled into the if they are found, this extracted data is compiled into this scrap data dictionary, which will be returned by the function. And if the scrap data is not a dictionary, which is an unexpected situation, like it didn't find this certain data, or we didn't get the API from the first part, and it prints an error message indicating which error is it. If it's not a dictionary, we print this line, and if there's no there's no such a website linking to the API number, we print this line. And then we get all the data, and it should be saved in the CSV file with the other data together. That's it for the API part.
So in this part of the video, I'm going to talk about how we process our extracted data. This part is the code that we use to process the data that we have. So you can see that in this part, we already extract our data into CSV file, which is like quite like this. Sorry, this part. We can see that we still have some random symbols that have no meanings or something that have error. So this part, we can first remove the HTML tags by cleaning these special symbols, and then we submit them with a space to just clean the text. And then also we can, for each columns in the data, we could use this function we have before, which is to recompile these into the clean data. And then also for this part, we transform these special symbols into, you see here, into nothing. And then for these empty space or things like not available or none, we automatically transform them into NA, which would be more clean to review and see. And then finally, we would save the cleaned data into cleaned extracted data.csv. So you can see that now the data look like this. If we run this file, we would get the CSV file like this. You can see that we have removed all the nonsense symbols and then we substitute them with NA so that we can see that this have no meaning. Yeah, so this is how we process our data.